I was going to ask you recommended resources, but let's just call your recommended resources. Go into your site and checking that out, checking out the content that's coming out over there. Any other resources you want to recommend?
No, that would be great. This is falls in the passion project category for us. I really, really like seeing these operators jump from the beginner stages of the pandemic to running some really massive businesses, and having this as a resource that we can shoot them a quick link and have everything that we've learned at their fingertips. Maybe not everything, but most of it. It's been really fun. It's not monetized. There's no catch. This has strictly been kind of a passion project for us, and we're getting a lot of good feedback. It's really exciting. So go, if nothing else, give it a couple clicks. It's operator.thefold.com, and I really appreciate that.
Yeah, and I'll also, again, I'll have the links in the show notes and in the description on YouTube.